Everybody go to breakfast.
Not be worried about him, yeah.
Because we'll be able to tell.
I think he's just the man for you, yeah.
I'm sorry for this noise. I have put off my fan, but this AC has to stay on because everywhere is hot. Like everywhere is so freaking hot. Anywho, yesterday night I slept with a very, very terrible headache. Like very splitting. I didn't know that I could wake up this morning and be okay. But I woke up and I was fine, thank God. Went to the gym, came back, went to driving school. You know, everything is happening as it's supposed to, except for one thing though. So tomorrow is Thursday. That is when you will be seeing this video too. But then again, I have an interview tomorrow. Physical, if I might add. I've never had a physical interview in my whole life. But, you know, I don't know what to wear. You know, I'm nervous because I've never had a one-on-one and it's with a company I want to work for. Like, you know, when something aligns with what your end goal is, and then you just know that if you follow in this path, it will lead you to like every other thing that you want to do. That is how I feel about this interview. But I don't want to talk too much and I don't want to jinx it. I am just trying right now to find an outfit that can go with an interview and also go with a date, because I want to go on a solo date tomorrow. I want to take myself out. Since I'm already going to the island, I might as well take myself out. You know, I gotta relax. it with the skirt. Baby face cleanser. See, you guys, this book is too wild. Oh my gosh. Hey, women, they do rubbish for Lagos. Because how are you 29? You've dated a man for 3 years, and then he's not saying anything about marriage. He doesn't want you to take his pictures. He doesn't want to be seen outside in public with you. You're still there doing understanding girlfriend, and and then you get to Ebano supermarket, yeah? And then you see a man that looks like him. And you're like, no, now, he's in London. You dropped him off at the airport. And then you think you're hallucinating because you really miss him. Man, when no be your own. I don't understand. This is too crazy. Before I continue reading this book, I just want to say that I am hungry. Jesus. I am so hungry, but I need to finish at least this chapter so that I can. The amebo that this book is just amebo and so much more. But I like it. I know I'm late to the party too, but yeah, nearly all the men in Lagos are crazy. They are very mad. I agree totally because these stories are wild. Back to my stomach. I'm so hungry. Tell me why I cannot eat bread. Maka gym. I cannot eat bread. Maka ginizi. And I am seriously craving. You know that bread that they used to Malam used to do that. How do I explain this bread? You know that mishai bread? And they will put this very full egg inside and then press it down. And then it will be very hot. That's what I want to eat. Or French toast. You know French toast too, it will be hot. I just want to eat hot, soft bread. But Onyejim is my trainer. Onyejim is the weapon fashioned against me and my bread and my stomach. See, I checked the scale today and I lost 2 kg. Is that not enough? Haven't you done enough? I hope he watches this video. Haven't you done enough? I'm actually so hungry and it's only bread I want to eat. Bread. That's all I want. But if I eat it this once, to not kill me now. It won't. I'll eat bread today because all this will not matter in heaven. It won't matter in heaven. But which of the bread should I? Should I have French toast or should I have bread and that malam bread and egg? I press the bread like this. Let me quickly finish reading this thing. I will go and find my bread. I'm sorry, but wait. I need to read this out for you. So, you got in the car and drove home. You remained in the car, your trembling hands on the steering wheel, your body raked with silent sobs. Your phone vibrated on your lap. You picked it up and it was a message from Odi. That's the guy in question. And then he said, "You really didn't need to embarrass me like that. Why will you walk up to me in public? I am so disappointed in you, Genevieve." Operating with the kid. Mind you, this is the man, boy, devil, demon. She dated for 3 years. 3. And the same no more cara na po. Ara we ga ara.
To last past Saturday night, and I'd like to know that it's more than love at first sight. I want a Sunday kind of love. Ooh, I do my Sunday dreaming and all my Sunday scheming, every minute of every hour of every day. Oh, I'm hoping to discover.
Guys, see, it's been a long day today, like so long. I've been working non-stop, filming, doing research, all of that, but I haven't even been able to edit. Now you come in.
Oh, guys, this is the best sauce. This is the best sauce currently in Nigeria.
Sonny came. Sonny.
No taste for drink.
Come over here. So yeah. Pardon all of that. Pardon. This is like a little bit of what I go through in my like basically what I go through in this house. Yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I still have a couple of things to finish up. Like, I still have more research to do. I have a pile of laundry that I haven't even sorted. I still have to figure out what to wear tomorrow because my cousin said I should not wear jeans, so I have to find a dress. Yeah, that's basically all I have to do for the rest of this night and then tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this one. We basically spent our day together, like my whole day. This is like from morning, from when I woke up till like night, we spent it together. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Love you.